Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G53 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Click on edit to personalize the contact and select add photo. And now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery, and I would like to pick something. Let's go with pictures. And now you can smoothly crop the picture however you like. You can also rotate it. So just make it as only you want it to have. Click on Save Copy, tap on Save Done, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact and actually that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.